One of you had suggested that I move the banana tree and put it to the back. I think it was Miss Colleen. Yes, so I have right here in mind. If I don't like it right here, I will put it right here. So I'll probably move this chair and put it there. I'm not sure as yet. Welcome back to my garden. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Big up to all my loyal supporters. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate you all and thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, look at this. Look at my pumpkin that I said I would stay on top of. Oh boy. Time, guys. Time. Every time I say, all right, when I finish, I'm going to deal with it. When I finish, I'm going to deal with it. And every time I say that until time catch up on me and I don't get to do it, and look at it. I have been warring with these insects over my pumpkin vine. I'm still going to spray it because if it's not completely gone, there is still hope. So, I'm going to do what I have to do.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
Let me show you this over here. So this is the branch. As you can see, the tomato branch that broke off that I stuck inside here. It didn't make it. I'm going to use these for seeds. I'm going to take out the seeds and then I'm going to put the rest in my compost. Maybe if I had stuck it deeper, it would have catch up because I was trying to save these right here. I didn't stuck it deeper. But then when I thought about it and said, all right, I'm going to take off these and stuck it deeper, I said, you know what, that's fine because I have a lot of cherry tomatoes growing right now. And I also sowed some seed. I was going to take it out at the time, but because I didn't ready for the container, I just let it stay there. And also I didn't want to do it without you. So if you have a branch break off and you want to save it, you know that this size is not good enough. So even though the tomatoes were here, just still take it off and stuck it to about here. And you'll have a high percentage chance of it rooting back. Feel free to hit the join button and become a GWS Family Elite. Yes, that's you. And thank you so much in advance. Also, don't be afraid if you're watching and you want to appreciate any of my videos, you can go ahead and drop me a donation of thanks. I will appreciate it. And thank you so much in advance. Also, you can support me by purchasing one of my books. Yes, my adult activity book on Amazon. The link is in my description. You will love it. So these sweet potatoes, I think I'm going to put them over here. They will still get direct sun. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted the banana tree to stay here. I was trying to shade my strawberries and also my pak choy down here. So that was part of the plan when I put the banana tree right here. I will figure out what I'm going to do. So banana tree either here or there. This is where it is. Don't think I'm going to move it again, but anything is possible. So I move this eggplant that was right here where the mulberry is, and I move this chair. The chair is wet. I'm currently watering right now. So I put this chair right here and put the chayote in the middle. So I have these tomatoes that I'm going to transplant. These are Hillbilly San Marzano, and these are some regular Jamaican cherry tomatoes. And I have one tiny tin inside here. So I'm going to transplant out these. And I have these sweet peppers or bell peppers inside here that I'm going to transplant as well. So these are store-bought that I took the seeds from. This is the yellow and the red. I saw one orange coming up, but apparently it died down. So I'm going to sow some more orange. I had collards and kale. What else? Cauliflower inside here. The one cauliflower came up and died. And these are some cabbages. Let's see. All green cabbages. None of the red ones sprouted. The red ones are seeds that I had a long time. as well that I was trying out. Scallions or green onions right here that I'm going to plant. This I'm allowing to dry, as you know. I'm going to take the seeds from this. As I spoke about the scallion or the green onion or the spring onion, here in Jamaica we have different words for so many things in the garden. For example, that one, scallion, either green onion or spring onion. For example, you have pomegranate, we call it panganut. You have amaranth, we call it callaloo. You have chayote, we call it chocho. You have pigeon peas, we call it gungo peas. You have bell peppers, we call it sweet peppers. You have beets, we call it beetroot. You have lemongrass, we call it fever grass. You have slicer tomato, we call it salad tomato. You have avocado, we call it pear. And yes, we still call the American pear as well. Well, for sugarcane, we normally just say cane. We do say sugarcane, but most of the time, it's just easier to say cane. For the potatoes, we call them Irish potatoes. Some people will say bok choy, we say pak choy. Watermelon, we just say melon. And for propagate, we say catch. The English word for catch is catch. We always say till the soil instead of aerate. I mean, people will say aerate, but it's mainly till for us. Let's get these tomatoes. I have oxheart, cherry, and hillbilly. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance. So I'm now going to get rid of this tomato plant. This one, it has come to the end of its road. Thank you so much, Miss Tomato. You have done us proud. And I sincerely appreciate you being in my garden. So I'm going to let this one stay and remove this one. O'Neill, this has been working very well for me. Thank you so much for your suggestion. All I do is ease this up like that. Uh-oh, I'm losing some. Everything drain out. Just want to rotate it inside here. So this is basically what I did. I get the crocus bag, put some kitchen scraps inside of it, along with some coffee grounds. I am going to add more kitchen scraps as I get them. I am just trying to see to it that I have enough liquid fertilizer each time. So I am making more. I prefer to use the rainwater, but I don't have any rainwater right now. That's the coffee grounds causing the water to change the color already. Alright, so this fresh one now, I will continue to add kitchen scraps to it. I'll keep this one for about 3 weeks. So I will use this one the upcoming weekend. I'll add more water to this one. I will use this in 2 weeks and I will use this one in 3 weeks. And the cycle will continue. I am trying to use them at 3 weeks old. Let's get some tomato transplanted. So this is where I'm going to put them. 1, 3. And then the tiny tin gets put over there. I'm going to put the San Marzardo inside here. I don't have place to put all of these, so I'm going to give away some of them. I'm just going to put 2 in each container and give away the rest. Or if I can find place to put another 1 or 2, I will do that. I'm going to trim up these days. Oh, that's another thing. We mostly say trim up instead of prune. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance. I am going to put the tiny tin right here, but I need to stake my cherry tree. This can work. Well, maybe for the time being. Oh, gone down too deep now. But I don't have any else readily available. I'm just going to use it for the time being. If I need to change it, I will. Just tie it up right here. That should be good for now. Alright, let's get the tiny thing in the soil.
Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance.
I am going to plant these. Look at that. Oh, this caterpillar got here. You know, I have my onions inside here. I was wondering what got to my onions. Most of the tops bite off. You're not going to be able to see them. I'm going to stop them with my cabbages and to put them right around here. I'm also going to plant out these sweet peppers or bell peppers. As you know, they are red and yellow. That's sprouted in here. So I'm putting one of each inside here. Put the other one right here. So when the orange one sprout, I'm probably going to put one right here. Banana peppers looking good. Putting a few in this container as well. I wanted to plant something in here. I'm not sure what it is, you know. I am going to leave out the middle area because there was something that I wanted to put inside here. I don't remember what it is. So I'm going to put them a little around the edges. This one is yellow. Alright. So I'm going to mix them yellow, red, yellow, red. Of course, it is going to be something that can companion with my sweet peppers or my bell peppers. I don't remember what I thought about, but you're on the journey with me, so you will see when the time comes. Which one was that again? I don't remember which one. Oh, that was yellow, I think. So let me put a red. Now a yellow again. This one don't look so promising, but let me stuck it right here and see what becomes of it. So when the orange come up, I can put the orange around here. On second thoughts, I am going to move this one. I'm going to leave this space for the orange since yellow, red, orange. Let me put this yellow one right here instead. So I'm trying again with some things that didn't sprouted. For instance, the red callaloo. Just going to sprinkle some all over in the container. I am trying again with them. This is my third attempt. I haven't got any to sprout, so I'm hoping now I will. And I put on my stickers already, my labels, so I know what is what. Banana pepper that Marie gave me. I did sow some, but I maybe wash them out, wash them away or something. So I'm going at them again. Been trying with these scales for so long. I've purchased so many. I find that most of the kale seeds here in Jamaica, they're not viable. I don't know what's happening, but I'm giving it a go again. So I'm putting both the kales and the sweet banana peppers inside here. I don't have enough containers and I don't want to use the trays. Well, not right now. Alright, so I put the peppers around the edges. Well, not to the edge, but on the outer areas. So now I'm going to put the kales inside. I have so many. I'm going to try this one. And I have more inside, but they're just not sprouting. Let's throw a few inside. Hopefully I'll get even one. If it's even one, I will be grateful. I will be grateful. Cut on these a little. Butter crunch lettuce and spinach. So I'll put some of the butter crunch right here. As soon as they sprout and reach a certain stage, I am either going to transplant them or upcut them. So I'm not worried that I'm putting so many in the containers. No, I'm not worried about that. throw out everything. Everything. All of the spinach. Watermelon and cantaloupe. Just going to do 3 of each. Alright, that is good. I'm getting there, I'm getting there. So the seeds that I'm going to direct sow, like carrot seeds, what else? Some beans and dill. Uh-oh. I will just I will just do those in the morning, God's willing. So this is broccoli. Two broccolis that I had coming up and both of them died. I'm so excited to plant the orange sweet pepper or bell pepper. The red and the yellow one sprouted, but the orange one didn't. I think this is the orange one, yeah. These are store-bought. I'm going to sow everything that is right on this one because I really, 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 really would love to see the orange sweet potato. I mean sweet pepper in my garden. I'm sowing more than enough. Should in case all of these seeds are not viable, just going to put some broccoli inside. Well, and to sow a few of these as well, maybe 6 or so. Alright, more than 6, but I will work with that. There are some persons that wants to grow food as well, so I'll just give them. Something else was with this. I know it wasn't just beetroot that I wanted to put inside here. Oh, 7-top turnip. Where is that? Oh, here it is. Alright, so Putting those to the edges, and then put these in the middle. And that's a lot, but no, guys, it's up to you how you want to sow. If you're a beginner, preferably use the trays so when you're transplanting you have enough soil on the seedlings. It's getting late and I have some stuff that I need to get done inside, so I will finish up in the morning. Be sure to check out my playlist. Come garden with me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.